creating a script for your slideshow. I am now going to take you through creating a slideshow which we're going to put into video form. I showed you an example of this earlier, and that's what we're going to do right now. I'm going to go ahead and make a pretend script for a product that doesn't even exist, just to show you how I would go about doing it. To do this, I'm just going to go ahead and open up Notepad, or you could use Microsoft Word or whatever, or even a notepad that you have sitting next to your computer, because this is going to be what we say to people. Now, keep in mind that we're going to want to have each slide only have a few words on each, because it makes it easier to read, and we're going to rotate it slowly. So we're not going to actually be sharing a lot. So let me go ahead and show you an example of a script that I would write to sell a product. Okay, I have Notepad open here, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to write one line for each new slide that I'm going to create. So let's say, for example, that I'm promoting a product that helps you make money from stock. So maybe I'll start by saying something like, "Are you tired of losing money on the stock market?" Okay, now that's about as long of a sentence as I would use. If you have a real long sentence, maybe you would want to break it up into 2 slides. That'll be my first slide right there. Okay, I'm going to go down to the next line. I'm trying to think, this isn't a course on copywriting, but I'm going to just share a few things here. Of course, I want to try to appeal to people. Let's say, for example, that you're in the stock market and you're sick of losing money. I think that's a common thing that people feel. I could also say, "Are you tired of get-rich-quick schemes?" Okay? And then I'm going to break this off to the next line. Let's see, "Are you tired of that just make you feel like a failure?" Okay? So what I'm hoping here is to kind of strike a chord to get people to say, "Wow, I am tired of those things." Okay, now I'm going to introduce my product. Introducing. And then let's say Super Stock Market Millionaire. Now, I'm just made that up. Hopefully that is an actual product. If it is, I apologize. And then I'm going to go ahead and just mention, a benefit of the product, maybe another benefit of the product. And then I'm going to have my pull to my website. Learn more here and receive a special discount. Okay, and then I'll have my website listed. Okay, let's say that this is the website. Okay, and there we go, and there's my slide is all set up. So of course I would actually have the benefits written in there, but I just summarized them there for you to see. So now I have my script, and what I want to accomplish with my script, I want to, of course, kind of draw them in and get them to visit my site. You can see this is a very, very short script. Now let's say, for example, that instead I wanted to give some dog training tips. This is a new script here. Let's see, "Are you tired of your barking dog?" Next line, "keeping you up at night." Okay, here's a great tip to help with that. Okay, and then I would go ahead and list the tip, right here. Pretend that's my helpful tip, and then of course I'm going to say, "For more helpful tips, be sure to check out our website," or maybe sign up for our free newsletter. And then of course, we have the website listed. Okay? So that's how that works. There's an example of 2 scripts that I would write. And that's how you go ahead and do that. Now, of course, the next step is going to be to create the slides for our slideshow, and we'll do that in the next video. I'll see you there.